What's up, guys? Back with another video. Jaden the Train Watcher. We have Norfolk Southern, NS250 and NS2026 on the same train. They are in the front. It's a mixed freight. I've been waiting on him for the last hour. I am incredibly excited. He is almost here. He is almost to the crossing before me. He is right down there. It is a mixed freight. Alright, guys. Enjoy NS250. Oh, there he is. So clean. They're both in the front. Alright, guys, enjoy it. Oh, yeah! No way, I got him! Let's go! We got him, guys! Jaden the Train Watcher's got NS250 and NS2026. How about that? Oh, I love you guys. I'll see you guys soon.